Hey, Jacob here, co-founder of IcePanel. I want to showcase some slightly more advanced features in the tool that you might not have stumbled across yet. So say we want to add an object to this diagram and show a lower level relationship, so an app-to-app level connection. If I move my face out the way, I can quickly look for, let's say we want to use our currency service from our online boutique system. We can drag that in and drop that object into the diagram. And what's happened here is we've added the surrounding parent to this diagram as well, so that you always know where it belongs and who owns that particular object. Now, say we want to add a new connection between the currency service and the bank payment service. Let's just call it new connection or unnamed connection for now. We can rename this later on in the model, not a problem. Say we want to now reuse that relationship at a higher level of abstraction, so showing the online boutique is connected to the European Central Bank via this connection. If we zoom out to that top level, we can actually add the relationship here, and then we'll see we have that unnamed connection which has been added to our existing connections list under the implied connections section. We can add that. What it's done is it's added this implied tag to the connection, and we can now use that to navigate directly to the level of detail that this is actually referencing. So we can click the implied tag, and here we can see that unnamed connection. We can update that to, let's say, users via HTTP, cool. And now we can go back to that top level, and it's updated that connection at the implied level as well, which is really, really useful. Really helps bring down that maintenance of managing lots of different connections. This is one of the slightly more advanced features that not many people know that you can do. Drawing those lower level relationships, you can actually redraw them at higher levels of abstraction. This works for app to app, component to component, and pumps the information upwards in the hierarchy, so you can reuse those later on. Hopefully that's been useful, and you can now start using the implied connections. Let me know how you get on, and stay chill.